Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to add comments and tag people in Miro 2025. Comments are a great way to leave feedback, ask questions, and collaborate with your team directly on the board without moving objects around. Step 1. Open your board and go to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the comment icon. Now your cursor will change into a comment tool. Step 2. Click anywhere on the board where you want to leave a comment. A comment box will appear where you can type your message. Step 3. If you want to notify a specific person, type the @ symbol followed by their name or email. For example, @John will tag John, and they will get a notification. Step 4. Once you finish typing your comment, press enter and it will appear on the board. The tagged person can reply directly in the comment thread. Step 5. You can also resolve comments once they are no longer needed, which helps keep your board clean and organized. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.